Just because the temperatures are cooling off doesn't mean our gardens have to look dull. Today on Southern Gardening, we're visiting Vesely's nursery, where winter color is in full bloom. One of my go-to plants for bright, cheerful color all winter long is the pansy. They come in just about every color imaginable, from sunny yellows and deep purples to soft pastels, and they're tough enough to handle our southern winters. Give them plenty of sun and well-drained soil, and they'll keep blooming right through the chilly months. If you're looking for some height and structure, snapdragons are a perfect choice. They add a nice vertical accent to garden beds or containers, and their colorful spikes attract butterflies even in cooler weather. Plant a mix of tall and dwarf varieties for layers of color. Don't forget about Dianthus, sometimes called pinks. These compact plants have beautiful fringed blooms in shades of red, pink, and white, and they're lightly fragrant too. Dianthus thrives in cool weather, making them ideal companions to pansies and snapdragons. All of these plants prove that winter in the South can be just as beautiful as spring. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.